What's going on, you guys? Welcome back to my channel, and today we're gonna be polishing the wheels that I'm gonna be putting on my truck. We're gonna be using Mother's mag and aluminum polish, and with that we're gonna be using some clean cloth rags to clean them. And to applicate the Mother's mag and polish, we're gonna be using applicator pads. And the reason why I'm gonna do it by hand and not actually by like the foam cone for the drill is I feel like everybody on YouTube does it with the foam and with the drill, so you know, I'm guessing some of y'all would like to see how you actually do it with by hand. So the first thing we're gonna do is obviously degrease it, clean it up, and I'm gonna be using purple powder for this. Just gonna let it soak there for a couple of minutes, and then I'm gonna wash it and let it dry, and then that's whenever we're gonna start polishing them. I don't know if you can see, but you can kind of see how it irritates all that dirt. So right off the bat, you can see a huge difference. If you look at that piece, it's nice and shiny. You can see my reflection of my hand. And then if you look at the other ones, they're pretty dull. As you can see, this one's really bad. So I'm gonna keep doing all the wheel, and then I'll cut you back on. They're not 100% polished because it's taking me a while, and I've already been about like 2 hours, 3 hours in. So what I'm gonna do is I'm just gonna go to the store and buy the foam cone and polish it with the drill. That way it'll be faster. And I still have 3 more wheels to do, so that's probably my better option to do. But it looks really good. All polished. They look insane. And right next to the truck, I can already tell it's gonna look really good. Yeah, that's it for this video, guys. I hope you enjoy. Don't forget to subscribe and hit the like button. If you have any questions, make sure to comment down below and tell me. And then if you have any suggestions of any other videos, then comment down below. Thank you. See you in the next one.